don't listen to me. This woman come up from there, go talk for best platform. That is a disrespect to me. So anything I'm doing, nobody should blame me. I don't even give a damn. If anybody wants to blame me, let them blame me. Please, Mr. Dennis, you're going to do me another favor. Now, you don't need to go to people's platform again to explain yourself.
Well, what happened was I knew that it was happening and I was just watching. Mm-hmm. But then her and her friends, like one of them who claims to be the godmother to my son, they're just blasting me. And what's funny is this woman, the mummy, she left for the UK a long time ago. So like she wasn't even in Barcelona when a lot of the stuff was happening. But I tried making contact with her by going to their house in Santa Coloma and asking her son to contact her for me so I could talk to her. And she refused to talk to me. But the first opportunity that arises to go on to Goya's show and disparage me and spread false information about me, she went. And, you know, and so, yeah, I was compelled to go on. But it was, you know, I remained calm. I think everybody saw I was calm, and I tried to speak to her directly and calmly, and she had no interest in that because she is executing her plan. So there's no talking her out of it. But it was fun. It was a good time. I had fun on Goya's platform. I'm not gonna lie. It kind of turned into the dating show a little bit at the end.
Okay. Yes. I beg another report you reach me. Say Sherry say not there since, but that not concern me. If you like, you know there since. If you like, you there since, madam, that will not concern me. When Goya they talk about you, you there. Goya when not even they see people when they watch out, you there when Goya they talk about you. You not there when they talk about you. Madam, take time. Madam, take time. Madam, they look me like small Pikin. Madam, take time. Yes, we are love voice anywhere. So now that you promised me, Mr. Dennis, you have to tell me good job. You have to tell me congratulations.
Yeah, good job.
You have to pray. I said you have to praise me. You have to praise me.
I'm impressed. That was rather fast.
Yeah, I have the largest mass movement fans in the world.
Well, what's funny is that now, put it into perspective. If you were able to get her location that easily, it means she's just letting people know where she is. Which how does that fit into her narrative of the story that I can't know where she is? You know, like that she's hiding.
Same Nigerian people saw her, and they were like, was it not the same person I was talking about on TikTok? See the address, everything, the postcode, everything. So you're going to give me my dollars now.
In dollars or euros, I thought.
Euros, yeah. I'm sorry. Give me some euros now. Yeah. My mom will do that. Great and not get lovers. We're going to talk this on WhatsApp, okay? Now you are smiling.
I'll let you go, and
you are relieved. I can see that you are relieved right now.
Yeah, because this will make, okay, because without me knowing where the child is, I can't put pressure on her to stop stalling the legal process, because as long as I don't know where he is, I can't go there. There's not a threat of me going there, right? So, like, I'm not breaking any laws by going there. She does not have an order of protection. And she knows how I am, and I think you guys all know how I am. If I find out where she lives, all her neighbors, everyone on the whole street's going to know what's going on. So
that's why they send me that address. That's why they send me that address. In fact, You know you like the girl, I swear. The person tell me say, "Pa, the reason why I don't like this girl because okay, let me go back to English. Yeah, she lives with some Nigerian people, in the vicinity, and they were like, this was the same woman we were talking about on TikTok. Okay, it's fine. So they are not angry that she did not come out here tonight to also speak, just the way she did yesterday on the Goya's platform. So that was the reason why she was angry, and she sent me the city, the postcode, the house address, the number, everything.
Yeah, I was quite surprised when, like, I got the invite, and I did not expect for that to be going on because she seemed pretty logical. It was kind of smart for her to say, "I'm not going to come on."
Yeah.
Right? Like, really, it is. Like, I was even regretting. I was not even going to come on right now, but it's like, okay, I might as well come because we're not going to say anything. I'm not escalating. So, yeah, the fact that then I open and I hear the same, like telling stories from 2021.
Yeah.
It's like we're talking about now in like the last year and a half and what's going on. And it's like we've broken up and gotten back together so many times since, like, so to bring up those arguments from there is like, well, then why did we get back together if you're still stuck on these things from 4 years ago, 5 years ago? And that's what I was hearing. That's a lot of what I was hearing. I wasn't hearing anything legit.
I'm gonna say,
Good evening, sir.
good evening.
Good evening, everybody. The reason why I see you since two things. One, be like say the Miss Cherry no know say go ya just sagaran for your platform yesterday. It be like say she not the platform yesterday we go ya not yesterday first day. We go ya dey join Oyibo. It's like she was not aware. That one and one. Secondly, she's supposed to sit in second time say as far as she don't go climb that Goya platform, she's supposed to know. Say her address must be leaked. And now, even if say you not give this Oyibo now this address, somebody else is going to sell that address for Mr. Dennis.
Exactly.
So now waiting at those two things now you come up and talk because even say you not give one, somebody else is surely go. As I say the Oyibo they climb up with your account, they must go to his name and sell that address to him, and he will pay. Dennis right now is very desperate and he's going to pay anything when anybody will tell him just to provide that address. And what I say about cut talk.
Thank you so much.
Thank you
so much. So Mr. Dennis said there is a reward for the address. So some of my fans they beg me say me I'm waiting tomorrow. No, I don't know. I do not like people. When they say they're smart, I don't like them. I have respected this girl enough to the extent that even if I started to beat this girl until tomorrow, I don't want the saga and they say the crazy the man. Maybe she thinks say that one I want to do her. Maybe that's why she not climb up. But she don't know say me get another extra plan. Oh, you think say I come match you? They say the crazy the man go punish you. I will know. The only thing I will do to you for people to know, say yes, I pass the Goya now to release your last address. 3,000 people go they watch me. I don't know where they stay for Spain. And rubbish now. I get fans for France. If now France will still there, for still know where you did today. That's to tell you how much. That's to tell you how much people loves me because I know they lie. I always they do my thing in a way when they be say, man, if I talk them out, they go say yes, not true. That's why I know they use that they do saga. If I want saga you, now wait till they your body I put the saga you so that it go pay you. That's why when people see my saga, they know they feel the resistance. Not be saga where you go feel look throw away face because now the truth. If I dey lie for your head, I go good. You see what that last call I talk just now. Even if say I don't bring out the address, and that person will definitely bring out the address because Mr. Dennis said there is a reward. And Mr. Dennis don't use you to acquire a mission for my platform. You say I say bad, not good. Sherry, should you say I say evil things not good for this life? Because of 300 euro now. See where you landed yourself. Per se where you give the 300 euro now. They already did okay. We don't give him another extra 1.5 million, if not more. Because they appreciate us with music. He is not doing well. The swear will be swear for the boy enemy before. You don't give your money back. You don't fit do anything again. See where the swear go for the work for your body. I hear say they say that's it. Who be this one?
Epa, good evening. No,
Who be
I
this?
greet the ass.
Yes,
I beg Epa, if you want give the man address, you go still talk to the man. May not hurt the girl, may not fight with the girl, may do
I no be
everything
small pikin. I no be small
small
pikin.
small. I beg,
I no be
you
small
do
pikin.
well.
I know why. That's why I say not be everything they talk for live video. I no be small pikin. You
Yeah,
get?
okay, sir.
I know wetin I dey do.
I'm gonna drop me. Oh, now do well.
There will be a lot of terms and conditions before I will give am that kind of address.
Okay, sir. Drop me.
Yes, not be say I just forward and give am. No, it does not work like that. So that's it. So I beg my people, we get another better topic from tomorrow. Goya, you see what it costs? You don't do things like that because of waiting. You know if you tell and say, make cut off from my platform. You take it, they happy, they shine it. The Sherry now the most person I don't see for my life. I never see person with more Sherry for my life. Whether if you say I did joke before, I don't know. Rubbish. I mean, they bring everybody up. Everybody just they bring them up. Make they come talk for like 3 minutes. When you more talk about that girl today, if you talk about that one will take 1 year? Hello, boss lady.
Epa, I don't know.
I'm with you.
Epa, what I'm not very sure, Epa.
Yeah.
What everyone still be say, may you still pardon and share the vini. May still come. May you can't talk, may they let the man they talk to her. May they talk for video call first, may the Oyibo match for this grant before the Congo courts. May you still beg, may you still give Sherry. That you go still come, may can't talk to Oyibo. So Oyibo will talk to you Pikin for video call first before court time go reach.
My sister not vex, never. The opportunity don't pass.
That one never can't.
It don't pass. Person when go platform when no or when a man near glory, I say no glory and name. The platform way for wait, bros, wait now, be one after the other. The platform way be say he even know he know the name, he know no give name. In the voice record when a pie no get play just now, he thought say no glory and name. Man, your man he got the platform. The name way he know he not come here.
No.
He not come. And beside me, I tell you, my sister Sherry, ask not this pain, no. Ask not this pain. Talk let's see one quick run come off for where you did now. Ask or you log or na me Spain. Oyibo your call. Oh, what I get. Oyibo your call back you for there.
Because Oyibo say if you call bon neighbor, both street people, everybody go here. Okay. Now good night.
Beg man, I no vex. If you want saga in family, you have to put the family. I get the family picture. The girl, papa, mama, we collect money for that day. I will send them for you. Make you take fian go away.
Papa, mama, no. I don't want to follow and do that kind of saga because say she disrespect me. No. If I don't like that, maybe I say I the saga and without sense. And I know they do my saga, meaningless saga where they do because they post person papa, they post person mama. No, I don't do that.
Because that get to do that day. That get to do. Everybody they beg for that money matter. To do. That get to do.
Yes, no, I know if you do that kind of thing.
Don't you have never reach like that. Now you beg. When I take easy. When I don't do like that.
If you want sagara, but when I remove the papa and mama.
I beg. And if I beg, go see beg people when get the address. People when get the address, make it not go. They give the man for back. Mona wait me perfect release the address by himself. Walao.
The person will get no. I'm not sure if another person will move.
I beg.
Una good evening. No be by sending the address. So what about the girl?
So the address is there everywhere.
What about say? Una good evening. What about say because na social na she deal with? What about she can't send this live screen give social na they can't carry and come up for that address? Because exposing the address here now, you feel you have to say okay, they in risk, so they feel find another house.
This thing, it's not possible for social to just move for pass give you today. It's not possible.
If I no get no verse, it is possible for Spain. Mostly
Is it
that
possible?
Barcelona where she did.
EG,
It
even
is
France,
possible
yeah, is
because
it
that house
possible?
where she did. So if this man go there, this man if he go there, go they cause problem for there. Now small go remember they no arrest him. Because now social house and that social house, I know the place, I know that girl where.
See why, baby, listen. That's why I tell you, say I no be small pikin. Before me go give that man that house address, now terms and conditions, and it go be on chat. Because me, I dey do my things with evidence of proof in case of tomorrow. Despite say I dey vex for her for one simple reason, say she disrespect me, does not make me look stupid to sell am out like that. I go still use my wisdom in order for this man not to go hurt am. And this man not go fit hurt am because the man know the law. You know wetin e mean say if he go there go dey fight am come injure am. You know.
Laura, like with your tie, the man, no, maybe no. I say I know them well. Even when they date her before you marry her, I know them well. A man, no, maybe no, bomb me. A man, I ogwale lele church ya here, ogwale get na lele church ya here. Africa church. Ogwale here. You know why I talk and say this man because he don't get bros. I bet wait. This man get problem with Spanish police already. Because of the beat where he beat that guy. Then the same as they say for Florida for hospitality, people where they stay Barcelona. Now the same as they stay. Now the same house, now they stay because me before I come out for Spain, I say probably Acasa. See probably Acasa still Florida, people who know Barcelona. This man, that's why I write you for WhatsApp that they not be everything where this man tell you, not be you go believe. Two of them get faults. Favor and this man.
Me why baby but now everything the woman tell us we go believe.
Now they talk no so now be waiting I thought say two of them.
Okay, with what they happen since then. You like the disrespect where this guy give me for shit to go?
No, I not like her for that one. Painogi, sorry for that one. You know why this guy? Why?
No, not tell me sorry. You know why? Not be you go apologize for her.
The beating guy proof. I want to know the beat where the man beat and prove they. Say the man.
They court now. Yes, prove the two of them they court.
No be by you they court time the thing for
wait, bros, wait,
abeg. The man beat and they don't carry.
No be say tell police before person go wake up for hospital for belle. No be here police dey. Bros, abeg wait.
Wait,
you understand?
Pardon me. I agree to. If they hear me,
I not they hear you, Paturi. Now, I'm so where are the mama here? Here in water, me first people climb up. If another person will climb up again, not that baby. Now because of that baby, I drop everybody. Now I make TikTok bring my page down. And TikTok where the men. That's what they'll come go employ Benin translator now. You have to drop you, eh?
Aye, ya momo.
Oh, don't ya momo. Momo was so.
Marine.
Wait. I need a moderator, which I don't get one. I need somebody that will climb up here to be my timekeeper from today. Or my timekeeper, because me, I know if they do live stream, they do timekeeper. So who is going to volunteer to be my timekeeper? Not be fake account. I don't need a fake account to be my timekeeper because I am not a fake person. I need somebody. Wait. On here we now. E and O lost Dre. My man just carried that girl. E and O lost Dre. I request call. E and O lost Dre. We are here. We are here. E and O lost Dre. I be muna siam. Where is E and O lost Dre? You be say she be fake account. How? How she take be fake account?
I don't be fake account with pardon more.
I beg. 1 minute. Now everybody go to the talk. Your mission here from today, now timekeeping.
Okay, sir.
You reach time for contribution, timekeeper, you come in. So I'm not going to talk. If you just 1 minute, here you say moderator. I'm going to drop and back. I tell you,
Oh, I'm happy.
This I get that. Goya, blame Goya gbe. We understand. Goya, he disrespect you, yeah, that is true. As this people come up, people tell they say not be they want to talk the platform. Make the come anytime you come let the live video, yeah.
But for she doing that, she disrespect me. But I don't still rest.
Yeah.
I just tell
Why?
her rest for her. You see, I curse her now, not the matter, but
No.
But I just only tell her, say, see where she for offend me, finish.
Yeah, that is true.
The one if nothing now, why you like my
Baba, I just stay here, man. Come on, Friday to do another one here. Welcome, Friday to do. Hello, Saloba. You see that girl? You say you know the social media person, you know.
Yes.
You say you know I make a social scene, but she was here last week. Called the drag Tyrion, and she was here. The first day she was here, the second day she was here. They drag money. Social not seen her be. When I always say me they not give her address out. It means una dey very wicked, eh? As this man they cry for years, they are not seeing her. Now it don't reach time to come release her address, and then I call the cry say make they not release her. Now Spain we dey. You don't understand? Now Europe we dey. So nothing like that go happen. Say the man will do anything because the man not there America. So now America, everybody fears okay, maybe I can't think will happen. But Spain, there is no free law to carry for Spain, so he can't do anything. The only thing he say maybe if he make noise, and that noise now police will come. They will quash him for this for corner. So there's no problem there. Before you give us the number, tell her those things. So if the man make noise, now know because you cannot say make the man not go find Pikin. This guy know the right thing to do. The man say he want peace. May they see Pikin, they don't want to marry you. I know they see Pikin. Is there anything wrong in that? I don't know why you guys are feeling as it's a wrong idea. For me, I support him. Make the man go find Pikin. Emma.
Merci, Baba.
Adomo.
Pardon, what be make me become I always say that boy be one day insulted. They just invest me now make me become say maybe if you say me that you shop and rough now, you go shop and raw.
Which boy?
The girl won't be one day insult to yours and when you could say they chat to the insult you and that one even make me come up.
Yeah. Person you want chat to insult me for here now.
Yes, at the year round, I even make me come up before you can't drop everybody. Now that one make me come up a bar. Another one, no, they all talk now. Me I see the profile. That you leave everything for me.
Madam. Oh, what your body member now? Oh, what the person calls me now? Yeah. People they watch back of my that video. Hey, wait. I be me not know what they do again. I will never think like that.
Boy, me not your cousin.
Smoke for me and that. Before I tell everything, smoke for me. Just 2 bottles of water.
Papa Nora, good evening. I greet everybody. I beg, what make me come up with say? You say you also end this topic. I beg, I never cook finish. It remain like 1 hour 30 minutes. I beg, maybe you just wait some more. I beg. Yes, thank you so much. I beg, more enter the next topic. I beg. I never cook finish. I beg.
You know they gift me. I said my phone the fail network. You know if you tell me say Ipa, call take money, take go buy better phone. I don't want to buy 150 euro phone. I want to buy better phone because on this phone I dey use well. Now people think they call me, but I know say God will send me a pa because this my work I do say not easy. Leave me alone. When I dey phone, man, you know they. I know. Man, don't say the year now we may be. If you reach my tone, you know I know where you but me. I don't know where they be like that. So, Cassie Eve, talk to us. Hello.
Epa wa follow we. O wa yan.
I don't tell now. Yeah, that one way for. Yeah, that one way for. Yeah, you went there. People they use my life until they make love. Emma, what not they do me so? Emma, it's not good though. Maybe I tell them we can't to the extent that after the making of love, she got to sleep off with her phone. Be this one. Where go on? Yeah, tia bono. Ma with the network you where am? Where go on? Ugwa. Now this one is small like a baby. Thank you, Jare. Abi baby.
Yes.
Ugwa. What? Now me working for you, me call you to take costume. If for very high, mommy, are not there for me. You want to put me for you till they cure your whole stress. Yeah, I'm hold on. I'm not gonna. What have you, Harry? Time keep party, man. That's why for doing since day. Because a lot of them go your math, they don't talk for 500 minutes. I feel me. Hello?
Hello, pardon.
Where's he?
Waya domo. Pani mi awata we normal level we no heki no ye mani. O heki no ya gwalo ye understand you know. Na lao because we awema hoko wa atanya me. Understand you know no ya gwalo ye unda ye bia ya o gbena we no ye mana ya gbena ye we ovie na. And Salubana we do well, Kiki we do re, a matter no ro, ona we do a yig be latian. Understand? Away as a year and go my voy.
Yes.
Understand? And me no river gonna nefo.
Yeah.
Understand? So heke ne at least if we nike ni take baby do back in a deck beer. Og you be able no og you be no ni ku no in a na we are unda agona odawa agbonri.
If you want me to that was banner.
Like, if you talk next time, they speak English or Pidgin English. Not be everybody here be new.
Good evening, everyone. Happy Sunday, everyone.
Maji, bold and beautiful. My Americana supporter.
And no get maton. And no get maton. And no get maton. Hi, I say make I call you me. Don't me drink lemon and tea.
What is the for Americana?
And after 3 we do.
What after do?
Yes. Yes, so
why you lemon and tea with better?
Yeah, the worst things now, the worst things and things. Ah, my brother, they made that guy that they do bodo.
Ah, Tomata.
I'm telling you.
What are you? I want to 30. Or what you want? Or you want
bodo.
Oh my God. Oh my God. Ah.
I'm telling you.
I'm happy to have the last stream.
Yes, so me too.
Merci, Kakabo. Thank you.
Say me, I see your face. Don't sit it now.
Let's see. I'll call you. Yes. I see your WhatsApp number.
Yes, now we did that.
That's you were.
Okay. Have a wonderful Sunday, yeah.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Bye.
A timekeeper.
We all talk now. You they listen to Bodo matter and that is
because a timekeeper don't have verbs. Or say that way yes. I know
you. I greet you.
I greet you, my brother.
Yeah, we rush the matter. One girl just now talk say me the matter dey court. Say he know them very well. So if the matter dey court, why the man dey find her up and down? That one and one. The second, I go for like you get one girl when you know them when they talk a lot of things about them just now. See why baby. May you try, may you bring her back because be like that one know them well. So make we hear from that one. Since that Sherry no angry come up because most of these Europe women, that's what they do.
We go bring Sigba up. Yes, you are right. But you see that Sherry, for that Sherry to disrespect me, that make her invest for her.
Okay.
That Sherry, he need to come out to come talk. The time when they draw money, he don't have himself. They come out for that, they come up, they collect money.
So she need to
come out, she can't talk.
When she can't draw money for a year,
she dey come out all the time.
Not talk say people too full year say she no draw money. She draw the money. So now when he come reach, she no turn now to speak. He say no dey talk. I no be still worry. I be not still talk. Since then say he should not come out say na big problem. The lot of my fans was like, oh, me she can't talk, me she can't talk. But for she to go on that person's platform, now they are for verse.
Yeah, that one no you're good at all. I hear it for bring the matter come man. I hear it for settle the matter.
Yes, I'm not saying make people not talk about Tamo. Everybody have right to say whatsoever they wishes to say.
Yeah, it's true.
But come the carry on, even bring the man, bring the woman, come your platform. When it be say, man, you don't even know as I think know these people. It's disrespectful. For real. Very disrespectful. Very disrespectful. But it's okay.
But check out that Cherry not send request. But they say you bring them up.
Oh.
Good evening, everyone.
Sherry.
Sherry?
Yeah.
Nah, Sherry dey here.
Because a friend tell me say go send request.
Ah, this my timekeeper, they do our job well. You sure?
That's so far. Me and a chat for private.
Okay. I don't know, but I get better mojuto we here they see everything with the happen for here. So if Sherry did, they'll definitely bring out. I'm not sure so she
Good evening, everyone. You know, do you know why I climbed up? Because of the way they were insulting this white man. And it's very wrong because I'm married to a white man. Yeah. When you want to get married to a white man, or you will have anything to do with these white people, you know what you want from them. Especially if you are from Nigeria. You are not a Mugu. We're Mugu. Sorry, let me speak English. You are not a Mugu. When you need something from these people, you know why you are there. I see the way the other live stream. Sorry, I've never climbed your live stream before. This is my first time. I saw the way the other lady, whether her name is Yoga, I don't know. She was just insulting these people, and I was so mad. When you get married to a white man, even before you get married, you need to buy your house in your country. Even the same country you are living here, you need to give you a lot of things, what you really want from that person. And you need to get past.
We remain 2 seconds.
You see, my moderator and my timekeeper, they are two supposed to come from same mama, same papa. They don't tolerate. My moderator, oh, here we are. Oh, boy, oh, here we are. Oh, here we are. Moderator say, come down. Timekeeper say, you made that 2 seconds. Well, man, that's not good at all. Some people say, may I appreciate you up. I want to appreciate you up. Sherry never request. May I go bring her call for where?
The friend just dey write me now say she don't dey there.
May she dey may she say.
I greet you.
Yeah. I greet you, my brother.
Wetin I be wan talk be say maybe for still give on that Sherry small time, like maybe today, tomorrow.
Not really the talk from boss.
Yeah.
That person. You understand?
Yeah,
because
I know.
I don't dey write me say he go give me big money. If I be person wey greedy, I don't say that since. But
yeah, I know.
Be money
So just give him, even though now only this night, if she no can come, then tomorrow if you just give that Mr. Dennis the address.
See that woman we come just now. We say make Oyibo need to dey buy house for them. That woman Oyibo now, if you know you buy for that one, no, you never buy house for her. You don't drink all the vino, you can't come here, call the talk. Say, see what that woman they talk.
No be the woman they talk. If I good evening, the way go take talk to the Oyibo the Cherry say Oyibo not they give her money. Say now only 500 euro. Now Oyibo don't give her. Now I go call the talk say that only 500 euro. Now me go the born for a follow Oyibo. He go follow Oyibo. You know what Oyibo don't do for. I can't begin they pray for you Oyibo. Now make that woman they talk like that. Because go call they make jest of that man yesterday for day. Even to talk say why will give the Oyibo
woman. The woman supposed to be constructive with her words. Not be
yes.
But she dey drag her like person we don't drink or
yes.
You're not this straightforward just now.
She not this straightforward.
You know. You want more, my sister.
Voila, Goya the cause of this one so.
Yes now.
Lawyer. I not gonna come out again. They jump, they come up 200 times before yesterday.
I never do what she want to do. No Goya.
You too quick give that woman that money. You say never give that one that money. If they come up, they come up.
You know we are for the verse, bros. These people will send my live video give Oyibo. They're too slow. They're
not quick doing.
They're too slow. Even when I was even using Glory to delay her, I was trying to hear from Glory first. I be trying my brother. I be trying.
You try for real. You try.
I want to give
to you and you try.
Tell Oyibo matter come. If I not see money again now. One naira I don't see. One cent you don't see.
The moment that money enter her hand, she just move.
You understand? So for those of now where they say make I give her a chance, I still did live stream. Normally we suppose enter another issue, but I want make people still come contribute. I still give people listening emails, make them still talk normally. That's why I still there here. But inside there, I still there. I never said the address give Oyibo. I still there. Don't say they write me from my other WhatsApp, but I still there. I be person like that. And if I don't still send that give them, I'll sit down and say, I don't send that give them more. But now the address is still with me. I never send that give her. I still didn't wait. Say okay, maybe she will climb up on top. That's it. That's what they do my thing. Get one issue we want now. Please let me to power tap and share.